In today's world of advanced fitness trends, the power of ancient training methods should not be overlooked. The horse stance, an ancient technique used in historical martial arts, offers significant physical and mental benefits even now. The horse stance resembles someone riding a horse. This seemingly simple exercise is more challenging than it appears, even for those accustomed to weighted squats. In this video, we'll explore the surprising benefits of the horse stance and how to perform it correctly, so watch the video till the end. 1. Improves leg strength and endurance. Imagine transforming your legs into pillars of power. That's what the horse stance can do for you. It's like a secret weapon for your lower body, working those thighs, calves, and your core all at once. Whether you're a runner, a dancer, or just someone looking to add a little oomph to your step, the horse stance is your new best friend. 2. Enhances flexibility. Regularly practicing the horse stance can truly transform your flexibility, particularly in the hips, groin, and lower back. This deep, wide squat isn't just a workout. Imagine easing into deeper movements with each session, enhancing your martial arts techniques, or simply making daily activities feel effortless. By consistently incorporating the horse stance into your routine, you can experience increased range of motion in these key areas, which can be beneficial for both martial arts performance and overall physical well-being. 3. Improves balance and stability. The horse stance is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting balance and stability. By engaging and strengthening the core, legs, and thighs, this stance lays a solid foundation for your body. It's like turning your lower body into a stable platform that supports everything you do. Whether you're young or old, improving your balance is key to avoiding falls and enhancing your overall movement quality. Incorporating the horse stance into your fitness routine can help you develop better proprioception and coordination, leading to increased stability in various activities and movements. 4. Enhances functional movement. The horse stance is a game changer for enhancing functional movement patterns. This deep squat position does more than just strengthen muscles, it integrates them. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, the horse stance promotes better coordination and functional strength. This isn't just about getting stronger, it's about moving smarter. By incorporating the horse stance into your routine, you can improve your overall movement quality and efficiency, making daily tasks easier and enhancing your athletic performance. 5. Increases hip mobility. Regularly practicing the horse stance can work wonders for your hip mobility. Think of it as a deep stretch and strength workout all rolled into one for your hips. This stance helps loosen and strengthen the muscles around your hips, making them more flexible and mobile. By incorporating the horse stance into your routine, you can reap the benefits of increased hip mobility, which can contribute to better joint health and overall movement quality. Improved hip mobility not only enhances athletic performance, but also plays a crucial role in everyday movements such as walking, sitting, and bending. To perform the horse stance, follow these steps. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly step your feet out to the sides, wider than your shoulders. Turn your toes outward at a 45-degree angle while keeping your heels in line with each other. Bend your knees and lower your body down into a squat position, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Aim to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as close as you can comfortably go. Hold this position for a set amount of time, starting with 30 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increasing as you build strength and endurance. To come out of the horse stance, slowly straighten your legs and return to a standing position.